Hello everyone, my name is Ngọc. I'm 8 years old. I am in class E1L. Today, I'm going. Today we are going to tell you about our happy friend. This is a chicken. Uh, the chicken is next to the pig. The chicken is small. Is say quack. This is a pig. The pig is in front of the house. It is big. It say walk. That is end. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.